Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Capsule-concepts and Insights and YouTube channel for pharma students. Friends, if you are a new visitor to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Friends, through my channel, I am going to provide important information for all the pharma professionals, that is students, faculty, research scholars, etc. Through my channel, I am going to provide information about upcoming webinars, seminars, workshops, quiz competitions conducted by various colleges, and also some tips for preparing for GPAT and preparation videos for GPAT with reputed persons. So don't wait and let us get into today's news. Friends, coming to the first news, Vikas Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences is organizing a webinar on forced degradation studies and its importance in purity profiling of pharmaceuticals. And this webinar is organized by Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Friends, this webinar is going to be held on 28th July 2020 at 11 am in the morning. Friends, and the speaker for this webinar is Dr. Krishnaveni Nagappan, Professor and Head of the Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis, JSS College of Pharmacy, OT. Friends, if you want to participate in this webinar, the registration link is in the description of the video. Go to the description of video, register yourself and participate in this webinar. Friends, coming to the next news, R.patel Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Shirpur, is organizing a international webinar on good practices in structure-based drug design and molecular dynamic stimulation by speaker Dr. Rajendra, postdoctoral researcher, ABO Academy, University, Finland. Friends, you can join this webinar via the Zoom meeting. I will provide the link for the Zoom meeting. And friends, you can see the Zoom meeting ID and password here. You can join this webinar via this Zoom meeting ID and password. Friends, these are the details about this international webinar. Friends, coming to the next news, B.V Raju Institute of Technology, Department of Pharmaceutical Engineering in association with IPA Narsapur and Education Division organizes a webinar on Role of Nanotechnology in antiviral and anti-bacterial drugs. Friends, this webinar is going to be held on 22nd July 2020. And friends, e-certificate will be issued to all the participants. The link for registration is in the description of the video. Go to the description of this video and register yourself and participate in this webinar. Friends, and the speaker for this webinar is Dr. Chandraya Gudugu, Assistant Professor, Department of Regulatory Toxicology in IPR, Hyderabad. And friends, you can also register by scanning this barcode given here, and the registration is free. As I said before, the link is in the description. Go to the description of the video and register yourself. Friends, coming to the next news, Narayna College of Pharmacy is organizing a national webinar on drug design from idea to market. This is organized by Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in association with IPA Nellore local branch. Friends, you can join this webinar by a Zoom meeting. The ID and password are here given in the brochure, and this is going to be held on 22nd July as I said before, and the timings are 10:30 am to 11:30 am. And the registration is free. You can go to the description of the video. You can find the link regarding this webinar and register yourself by entering your details. And the speaker for this webinar is Dr. A. Sunil Kumar Reddy, Scientist, Aurobindo Pharma, Hyderabad. Friends, don't miss this webinar because the person is from the industrial sector, because these kind of webinars will give you an idea of how industry works, and they will give you important information so that you can learn more knowledge and you can divert your mind to the industrial sector, that is pharma industry. Friends, coming to the next news, this is a national webinar. I thought to say it at the end starting of this video, but I missed it. So don't mind guys, and I will provide detailed information here itself. Friends, this webinar is about strategy for managing personal finance including mutual funds during and after COVID-19, and this webinar is organized jointly by College of Pharmacy and Department of Biotechnology, Maharshi Markandeshwar deemed to be University, Mulana Ambala, Haryana, in association with Association of Mutual Funds in India. And the date of this webinar is 20th July 2020 and the timings are 11 am to 12:30 pm. Friends, if you want to register, the registration link is in the description of the video. Go to the description of the video and register yourself, and they are gonna providing a e-certificate for the registered participants after submission of their feedback form. Friends, the keynote speaker for this webinar is Sri Suryakant Sharma, Senior Consultant, AMFI and Pharma DGM SEBA SBA. And the invited speaker, Mr. Karan Kadli, Manager, National Securities Depository Limited. Friends, these are the details about this webinar. Friends, this is the news available for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like and share this news with your friends. And a small like will encourage me to do more videos for you to bring important information for you all. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Capsule Pharma News.